Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I love hoodies in the summertime. Woo! If you hear some noise, that would be a Ruby, the kitten. If you have not seen her, I'm sure you will have seen her sooner or later. Ruby! Ruby! She's playing with some big air bubble that you use in packing. She's having a great time. Today I have the Glow Addict Beauty Box Summer Vibes Mystery Box. It was $15 and I just got it in the mail today and I'm super excited to see what's in here. I've never gotten anything from Glow Addict before, and I've always seen pretty good unboxings from their products, so let's see what I have today. That cat is just going crazy and I can't make her stop. Oh my goodness, so it's pretty heavy. It's got a bunch of stuff in here. And the first thing it has is, looks like, see, there's a palette in here. And it looks like there are two little pads. I think they're the washable face cleaning pads. They're cotton, and they're cotton round, so you can use them and then throw them in the wash. I like to use actual cotton puffs, or cotton rounds. These are cloth rounds, not cotton, but they're made out of cotton. It's just different. That cat finds a new toy. Oh, fuck it. I'm just throwing that down because that rattling is driving me crazy. Anyway, then I got a pair of Ruby Bay Eyelashes, which are really beautiful. And these are Ruby May Premium 3D lashes. And they're faux. They're not gonna, no animals were hurt doing that. And this is the lower lift, and it is a chin mask. It says firm and lift, and it goes under your chin, which it's pretty good, but I could use a little help. So we'll check that out. And like, this was just $15, and they didn't charge anything extra for shipping that I'm aware of. And this palette is from Bee Bella. It's B35D. I don't know. I think I might have had a Bee Bella palette before. Wow, this is beautiful. This is a gorgeous palette. Let me put this box down. Look at that. I'm going to do some swatches. I have a lot of palettes, but you know, I'm always down for something that's good quality. Let me get a moist towelette. And I'm going to just swatch some colors off the top row. Those are pretty. They swatch really well. Let's see. Get that chin mask out of the way. Got a tissue here. Let me do some teals and purples. And the colors are pretty good. They're swatched pretty good. They're a little powdery, but not bad. I'll do a look with this. Or I might pass it on to a friend because I have a lot of palettes that are these colors. But thanks for 15 bucks. This is a great box. You get a chin mask, you get these rounds that are reusable, and you get lashes, and that is fantastic. So thanks. What's the name of it again? Thanks, Glow Addict. What a great surprise for $15. I feel like I've totally gotten my money's worth, and the shipping was free, and it just popped up last month, and here I have it now. So thank you so much for being here. Ruby has left the building. No, just the room. Anyway, so enjoy the silence. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.